Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to discuss the derivative of cotangent function. Okay, now let's say f of x function of x is cot of x. Cotangent can be denoted in that is cot. Okay, and f of x plus delta x is equal to cot of x plus delta x. Now from definition of derivative we know f dash x is limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x, which is cotangent of x plus delta x, minus f of x, which is cot x over delta x. Now we know cot is cos over sine, minus this also cos x over sine x over delta x. And if you simplify, you get sine x cos of x plus delta x minus cos x sine of x plus delta x over delta x into sine x into sine of x plus delta x. And if you see this sine x cos x plus delta x, this is and this one is just same as sine of a minus b, which is b is x plus delta x, which is minus delta x over delta x into sine x sine of x plus delta x. Okay, now this and this will get cancelled out, and here sine x does not contain delta x, so it can come out here sine x, and what we are left is delta x tends to 0 sine of minus delta x over delta x using the properties of limit delta x tends to 0 1 over sine of x plus delta x. We know the sine of minus angle is minus of sine of that angle, so minus coming out here sine of x into limit delta x tends to 0 sine of delta x over delta x into here, if you put delta x equal to 0 here, your left is 1 over sine x, so minus 1 over this, and this becomes sine square x, and this whole term we know in is just 1, so I can write 1 over sine square x is cosec square x. Therefore derivative of cotangent x is equal to minus cosec square x.